Okay, so you've now downloaded the 2-Year Smart app on the Google Play Store. You've connected the machine to your Wi-Fi, and now I'm going to basically talk you through the map setup. I'm going to click on the 2-Year Smart icon there. I'm going to click on the machine. As you can see, it's fully charged. Okay, waiting for the map to load. All right, so this machine is run fully. And as you'll see, there's a couple of things that I want to actually show you on the map. The first thing that I want to show you is the different colors. So the machine actually sets its own colors up as it runs. Okay. What you need to know is that you can edit these rooms. Okay. So the first room I'm going to draw your attention to is the kitchen at the bottom here. Okay, I actually went in and I labeled this room kitchen, okay, which is obviously something that you can do as well. You can see it says there number 1. Okay, that means that I've set it up to clean the kitchen first in terms of the sequence, the cleaning sequence. Okay, the second room that I've set it up to clean is right at the top here, okay, in this kind of Lumo green color. I've deliberately set it up incorrectly, so it's something that you just want to make sure when you set it up that you've kept the travel time in mind. So this is not the optimal sequence. The second room that I actually should have set it up as number 2 is the purple section here. So it's going to go from kitchen to this purple section as number 2, and then kind of work its way up. Okay. Then you can see the red. So all the red, those are forbidden areas. Okay, the section here at the bottom, that's where the TV is. So we've set it up so that it's not going to clean the TV area. There's too many cords. It's probably going to get stuck there. This section here, okay, that's a carpet, a loose carpet that it's going to get stuck on if it's not taped down. Okay, this bottom forbidden area here is a stove, so you don't want it going underneath the stove. There's other cords and it gets quite hot, so we don't want it going in there. Okay, that red area, sorry, this red area, these two here, okay, at the bottom on the left, those are actually gates, and it can get stuck underneath those gates. It like wedges itself in those gates, so we don't want it cleaning around those gates. Obviously, you can move the restricted areas if you know that those gates are closed, but in sort of the generic kind of setup, and let's just say you're scheduled to clean your house, every Tuesday and a Thursday, then, and you don't want to really kind of worry about whether the gates are closed or open. You can set them up as forbidden areas. Just keep in mind that you've got a restriction of 8 forbidden areas, so just use them sparingly, or you kind of want to do 2 or 3 forbidden areas in one block. All right, then moving down to the bottom icons, the first icon that you see here is auto. That's just a normal auto clean. So that's when you are running the machine right in the beginning, which you've already done. Okay, that's the button that you're going to press. Now, if you want it to specifically run in a specific location, so let's just say that you meshed your cereal on the floor, you can set it up to clean in that specific location as a pin, and then it'll go back to its charging station after it's cleaned that area. Okay, the third icon there is select room. So let's just say that you wanted to specifically clean a room that is dirty. You can actually just select that room. So let's just say I wanted to clean the kitchen, just the kitchen. I would go and I would select kitchen, and it'll go and clean the kitchen, then return back to the charging base. As another area, if you wanted to clean, let's just say 2 rooms, you can sort of just do a block around 2 rooms, and it'll clean that full area, but only those kind of 2 rooms. And then at the bottom here, it says charging. So this is, it's grayed out currently because the machine is on the charging station. But if it's running and you wanted to send it back to the charging station, you can. The top here is room edit. So let's just say that the machine hasn't correctly understood which are the rooms is the kitchen, and which is the kind of the next area, the living room, or however the setup is, which is very possible. You'd go in and you'd edit the room there, and then yeah, as I showed you, the red areas are forbidden areas, and that's the icon for that. Settings, you can, is that the three dots, and yeah, you can just click on settings and you can change the adhesion. So that's just, you know, let's just say you've got a really dirty area or a carpet that you really kind of want to you know, change the adhesion to strong, to sort of pick up all those hairs because you've got pets. Yeah, you can change the adhesion in settings. Okay, and look, this is just kind of what the machine can do. In subsequent videos, I'll take you through each of these icons to show you exactly how they work and show you the machine cleaning the areas as it should. All right, then finally, if you kind of want to just from an analytical perspective, know the cleaning time. So right at the bottom, you've got the cleaning time, the area that it's cleaned, and the amount of electricity. So the charging, how much charge it's got left. You can just kind of look at those numbers there.
If this was useful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos. Thanks very much. Have a good one. Cheers.